It's Liam. Welcome back to another video. This video we're doing fireworks because it's the 4th of July.
Here, put them all down, Gavin.
Put them down.
Alright, I'm here again.
Yeah, she's here. It's too dark. Christian's here. Too dark.
Okay,
These are the smallest ones.
fireworks.
I'm Eric.
I'm here again.
Sorry.
Get back.
Oh God! Oh God! Get back.
Ooh.
Solar flare.
Oh my god.
Dang.
Oh my god. Oh, I remember
Just
solar
wait till it burns down.
Why didn't you put
Are
all
solar
of them
flares loud?
Oh God.
Dang.
Okay.
That was great.
Wow, it's on fire. Okay.
Smells like dog poop again. That's nice.
So nice.
One more. There are going to be 4.
Oh my god.
2.
There you go.
That's so cool.
And the
Lenses
camera.
are gonna break.
Look how small they are. Alright,
Last one.
It lit 2 at once.
What's this one?
Solar flare.
Oh no, it fell over.
Guys, watch out.
Shoot, you sure out.
Get back. It's gonna be like a gun. Pew pew. Oh, it's standing back up again. Yeah.
Then it fell over again, I think.
Alright, next this.
Wait, mine.
Wait, Gavin, what is it?
What is it, Gavin?
Pyro fan.
Oh god. You're just gonna
get
light up the
Oh, this is the big one.
You're gonna light up the box?
Oh yeah, pyro fan's the big
There's a match there's a wick that comes out of the box.
Oh,
Is it
that's
broken?
Marcellus. That's if you're wondering, that's my friend Marcellus.
You
And that's his sister Shara. And that's Christian.
Is it all?
Oh, you know it's the wind, I bet.
Is this one loud?
Here,
cover it.
I'm gonna like blow my hand off. Oh no, honey.
Get back, get back.
I'm not ready for somebody.
Here, get back.
Oh my god, that's cool.
This is so cool in the camera.
I know. Whoa. Whoa. What the heck? That was awesome.
Maybe more. There may be more.
Hold on. Nope.
Nope, that's it.
That was awesome. Was I kind of small?
Alright.
Yeah.
I was about to
Every
do that.
time I set up fireworks, I think of Joe Dirt. No screaming memes, whistling bunghole.
Crystal fountain.
Crystal fountain.
That was amazing.
Amazing.
Can they see me? Can they see me?
You know, because the Indian
Maybe a shadow, but
because I like sparklers and snakes.
I think you gotta open it.
no, there's a wick on top.
Get everyone while fireworks
Stop.
There was
going
no
on.
fuse on top.
Christian, get over here.
That was just a box. You have to open it.
Sorry, bad camera angle.
Yeah.
You should get everyone while
Yeah,
like
keep it in
the
the
same
box.
fireworks is going on.
This is called Crystal Fountain.
Stand back a little, Gavin.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
Crystal fountain.
It said fountain. Just
It kind of looks like it's raining.
Oh, it's gone a little bit more.
I don't know if we can do all of them in 29 minutes. Do you think?
Wow.
Maybe we should just do like the big ones.
That one at 2.
The box is on fire.
Alright, Nelly.
Are we even gonna have time? There's 25 minutes left.
Yeah. It's totally illegal to do this.
This is the squash.
We'll just do a couple more.
Yeah.
That's it?
Get some good ones out, guys, because it's illegal.
Get the biggest ones out.
We have 24 minutes left.
Is this one gonna be smaller?
Huh?
Do you know if that one's small? Which one is that?
Is that a police?
I really hope not.
The property owner.
Oh, it is.
No, I don't know. Probably just wondering what we're doing.
I don't know if I even want to post this video.
Probably do. Fireworks fun. Maybe I should make it private video.
This is called squash.
Oh my god! What the heck?
I was not expecting.
Oh god!
Squash better than. I'm better than I thought.
That's a good finale.
No.
Let's do a couple more.
All right. Do that one first.
We're trying to find the not last ones.
Yeah, we are. Next is Color Shock. Well, that one's, wait, what was?
Sparkling wood.
And then this is Color Shock.
Is this one live?
Yeah, Color Shock.
You don't know. You just
Sparkling wood.
don't know which one's allowed and which one's on. So he does.
Why does it have to be so windy?
75% of this time.
All right, one of the biggest ones. Guessing it's gonna get way better.
Yeah, one second. I picked the one that's not loud.
Not yet, at least.
Yeah.
Oh, still going. Whoa!
Okay, maybe I did pick one that was loud.
Yes, you did.
Okay, it wasn't
All
that
right.
as loud as the last one.
Good one.
Oh yeah, we do need the one with the werewolf. Gavin, do the one with the werewolf.
Do a couple more, guys. Comment. Here we go. Here we go. Fire in the hole, you two. Yay.
Yes. All right.
That was a good one.
All right. Next, gold dust. One with the werewolf.
Gold dust.
Goldie.
All right, gold dust.
It's Goldie.
What's it called?
Gold dust.
Gold dust.
Yeah. Duck Dodger.
Take off the sticker.
Duck Dodger. Space.
Yeah, we all right.
So, are we celebrating Brexit 1776? Is that what this is? What? Brexit 1776?
Okay.
Britain. Oh, yeah.
How many more minutes?
Yep.
Unglued.
19.
Is that the one with the
Last one.
No, it's unglued.
Is that the one with the werewolf?
So it's gonna stay. Probably our sacrifice. Yeah. Like all the fireworks in the world just come from that and they all light up.
What is there, like multiple chambers in that one? Looks like that.
get your face there.
Yeah, seriously. Guys, get one or two more decent sized ones and then we're gonna be done.
Huh? There's 18 minutes left on this.
Me and your dad will get over here and do a jig for you for 18 minutes.
Yeah. So we'll sit here and go.
Watch him whop, watch him nay nay.
Wait, let's do Mr. Crackle.
You know what? We're not gonna be
Dip and nay nay. How's it go?
Huh?
How's the song go? Watch me dip, watch me nay nay.
Watch me whip.
Whip, that's it.
Tomorrow we can go to Marana. We can set them up.
Wait, we can go to. We can do that tomorrow?
Yeah, we're not, it doesn't have to all be done tonight. We can do it tomorrow. Up at the same place we did before. And legal there.
Okay. So last one?
Yeah, probably.
And then this. Oh, yeah.
So guys, this is gonna be part 1.
This is road fun.
What are you doing?
Sean, why are you all the way over there? Because I don't want to lock the door! It's not gonna burn your arm off. Yes, it is. Like, look at us. I'll break your one of these. I'll try. I would sit on it.
Gavin, you would not sit on it. You can't even get splashed in the pool. How are you gonna sit on fire? Oh no.
We got one more and then we're all done.
It's still burning. Wait for it to stop. Kick it. Let's kick
No,
it.
don't kick it.
Hold on.
So guys, this is gonna be part 1.
Should I? Part of 2. Should I? Get ready tomorrow.
Knock it down.
Knock it down. Up.
One more.
Alright, Rose Blossom.
Watch out! I'm just kidding.
Do the one with the werewolf.
The werewolf.
We did.
The werewolf. The werewolf.
It was this one.
The werewolf. Hurry up, Kevin.
Sorry.
I should have brought my phone so I could record too for my channel.
So it's over here. No.
Can you even see me from back there?
Huh?
Can you even see me from back there? Oh, God.
Last one, here we go.
Watch out, Christian!
Blossom.
Red light cherries.
Nice. Oh, it's getting higher.
This is great.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Ah!
All right.
Is that it?
Yep.
That's it.
Well, for today.
Could you even see me from back there?
I could. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. This is part 1 of 2, right?
Happy 4th. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July.
His channel is Dark Lord.
Dark Lord.
Dark Lord.
D3 RK Lord.
D3 RK Lord.
You're watching this not on the 4th, but still, it's cool.
Your shirt's glowing.
And guys, are you sure it's
Okay.
I also have a YouTube channel.
Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Don't watch our YouTube channel.